Welcome to our exploration of the tropical elixir known as Soursop tea. Picture a brew from the leaves of a tropical fruit unlocking a myriad of health benefits. Recent studies, like the 2021 research in the Journal of Thermal Biology, revealed surprising enhancements in sperm count and motility from Soursop extracts. With potential anti-inflammatory and antioxidative properties, Soursop tea holds secrets waiting to be uncovered. Join us on this journey into the world of Soursop tea as we uncover its mysteries and answer burning questions. Just a quick reminder, the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice. Health benefits of Soursop tea. Fights against cancer. Soursop tea, derived from the leaves of the Annona muricata plant, contains acetogenins that show cytotoxicity to cancer cells, hindering their growth. Regulate blood sugar levels. Compounds like annonacin, quercetin, and alkaloids in Soursop have potential in enhancing insulin secretion and reducing blood sugar levels. Boosts the immune system. Rich in antioxidants like quercetin and tannins, Soursop tea helps neutralize harmful free radicals, while its anti-inflammatory properties support a robust immune system. Supports liver health. Soursop leaf extract demonstrates hepatoprotective properties, reducing oxidative stress and safeguarding the liver. Improves eye health. The antioxidants in Soursop combat oxidative stress, and vitamin C, beta-carotene, and zeaxanthin contribute to reducing the risk of cataracts and preventing macular degeneration. Improves kidney health. Acetogenins combat oxidative stress in the kidneys, offering nephroprotective properties, and annonacin may support kidney cells by reducing inflammation. Treats hypertension. Soursop tea has potential hypotensive effects, widening blood vessels and countering oxidative stress. Improves sleep quality. Compounds like tryptophan and annonacin can help improve sleep quality by regulating serotonin and melatonin production. Helps treat rheumatism. Bioactive compounds like acetogenins, alkaloids, and quercetin show anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, potentially providing relief from rheumatism. Cures mouth ulcers. Soursop tea's acetogenins possess anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, offering relief from mouth ulcers, with added tissue repair from vitamin C. Treats anemia. Rich in iron and essential minerals, Soursop tea supports hemoglobin synthesis, aided by vitamin C's enhancement of iron absorption. Improves sperm quality. Research suggests that Soursop tea could positively impact sperm quality with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects from compounds like acetogenins and flavonoids. From the heart of the tropics, we've journeyed through the mysteries and wonders of Soursop tea. Will you make it a part of your routine, or do you have a Soursop story to share? Drop your thoughts below. Let's create a community where we learn, share, and grow together. If you've enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more enriching tales and discoveries.